Hello, what is up guys? Welcome back sa channel. And first off, I do want to apologize kasi hindi naging consistent yung uploads natin the past 2 weeks kasi I was on vacation. So now, let's talk about etong newsletter na pinadala sa akin ng Call Financial. So, Call Advantage. So, 5 things to do in times of market uncertainties. And by the way, before tayo mag-start, I just want to give you like a background kung ano bang ginawa ko the past couple of weeks. So, I've been spending time with the family. So, ito, extended family, mga pinsan, and tita. And si mama, si papa, and kapatid ko. Like, first time ulit lumabas yung kapatid ko. Kasi may vaccine na siya. So, ayan, we ate. We spent time. Kita nyo naman. Randy Orton post. Kasi minsan lang siyang lumabas talaga. And then here, ito, inaanak ko. Spider-Man daw siya. Namimili kami sa SNR. Then ito, kumakain yung isa kong inaanak. Sobrang super cute. And then, we went to Mindanao for around 10 days. So, ito sa Davao. Then, ito sa Jensan. Actually, hindi na to sa Jensan. Sa Sarangani na to. Sa Glan. So, sa Isla Hardin ito. And ito, same thing. Isla Hardin. Ang ganda ng beach doon. White sand. Sobrang pino. And ito, meron pa rin mga like rock formations or like parang mga coral reefs na nawala na ng tubig. So, yan, pwede mong tapakan. So, ganda nung, nung sunset. Then ito, first time ko kumain ng, ano man tawag dito? Kinilaw ba to? Yeah, tama. Malasugi. So, sobrang sarap pala niya. Hindi ko siya kinakain before, but dito napakain ako and yeah, super thumbs up. Then ito, sangkuha dun sa like medyo tagong part nung beach, nung shore. So, walang nagsiswimming no nag-swimming kami dyan. And isang mali ko, hindi ako nag-sunblock or sunscreen. So, medyo na sunburn yung likod ko. But yeah, it was worth it. And ito, sa mall sa Jensen. Yan, may mga ganyan na sila para pwede mong pa-picture. Then ito, din sa park. General Luna Park, if I'm not mistaken. So we spent some time there as well. And yan, balik na tayo dito sa ating main topic. So I just wanted you guys to like see kung ano bang mga nangyari and naganap the past couple of weeks in my life. So parang life update na rin. Balik tayo sa main topic. So, key points dito when market uncertainties are at a high and the stock market swings wildly, it's tempting to pull out all of your money and get back in when the volatility has died down. So, what you want to understand early on sa iyong investing journey is the market is inherently volatile. You can't control that. Yun talaga yung nature ng markets. Some days, it will go up. Some days, it will go down. And kaya nga tayo may mga tinatawag na bear market and bull market. Pagka sa isang extended period of time, pababa lang yung prices, then that's what we call a bear market. And kapag ka naman yung mga prices is tumataas lang for an extended period of time, then that's what we call a bull market. However, timing the market is extremely difficult and can even lead you to lose out on good opportunities to make money while the market is down. It's important to calm down and avoid making investing decisions out of fear. Here are 5 things you should do in times of market uncertainties. And yep. Kasi yung parang main dictator sa mga newbie investors is emotions. If they're feeling excited, if feeling nila, oy, nataas yung market, bili lang tayo ng bili. You know, nafo-FOMO sila. Doon sila bumibili kapag nag-all-time high, yung mga investments. And kapag bumabagsak, sobrang unreasonable nila. Ayaw nila bumili ulit kasi ang katwiran nila, hindi, bababa pa yan eh. Diba? It doesn't make any sense. You bought at $100, tapos ayaw mong bumili nung nasa $50 na lang. Doesn't make any sense. While stock markets generally rise over the long term, they tend to be more volatile in the short term, sometimes to a worrying degree. That's right. Kasi, kumbaga short-sighted palagi yung mga newbie investors. Gusto nila yumaman agad like kinabukasan, di ba? But it doesn't work that way. I mean, yeah, there are people na sinuswerte na, over in the span of 6 months, 1 year, like, yumayaman talaga sila. They make a lot of money from investing. But that's kind of hard to sustain, That's hard to do on a consistent basis. So, kumbaga, dapat yung investing time horizon nyo is palaging long term. When market uncertainties are high, and okay na, nabasa natin yun. If you're investing for the long term and you're comfortable with the amount of money you have in the stock market, it's important to calm down and avoid making investing decisions out of fear. Again, itong game na to, itong investing game is not how much or like how high your IQ is. Ang mahalaga dito is EQ, emotional quotient. Dapat you can control your emotions or like even be apathetic with how the market swings on a daily basis. So, sinasabi nila dito, kapag uncertain yung market, and especially kapag nasa bear market, ayaw bumababa lang yung prices. Number 1, don't panic. The most important thing to do in facing market uncertainties is not to let your emotions drive your investment strategies. So, it works both ways. Kahit na tumataas, dapat, hindi ka super emotional. Pagka bumababa, hindi ka rin super emotional. So, like ang neutral, no? Neutral ground lang palagi. Remember that high stress levels and strong sentiments can lead you to making the wrong investment decisions. Stay calm and don't panic sell. Isa pa yan sasakit, no? Or like common pitfall or mistakes ng mga bagong investors. They panic sell. They bought nung tumataas yung isang investment, all-time high, and then nung bumagsak 20%, benta na. Cut loss. The number 2, be well-informed. So, I think dito naman, thumbs up na kayo, no? Kasi, you're watching this video. That means na you're already well-informed and you're still striving to know more, diba? And sabi nila, it's easy to get swayed by market noise and speculation, but our investment decisions should be based on facts and analysis from legitimate sources. Don't act on unverified information and speculative opinions so you can avoid making costly investing mistakes. And yan, like ko rin sinasabi yan na yung mga sinasabi ko sa mga videos ko sa podcast, it's not financial advice, it's not investing advice. Sinishare ko lang sa inyo yung mga thoughts ko about the market and how it's gonna go. And I'm just sharing my experiences sa inyo. And of course, may mistakes and may successes. Para alam nyo na yung gagawin nyo in the future kapag nag-decide na kayo mag-invest ng sarili nyong pera. Then number 3, remember what you're investing for. Take the time to go back to the reasons why you started investing. As long as your portfolio is still aligned with your long-term goals and your risk tolerance levels, you can ride out any short-term market volatility. Kasi historically talaga, yung stock market, it goes up. And especially if you're betting on companies that have a really good track record and it is projected to have a long runway in the future, then yeah, long term is the way to go. And you just have to peso cost average or dollar cost average on that particular investment. Don't throw away a good long-term investment plan just because you're experiencing a market decline. And kapag ka nga mababa yung market, mababa yung prices, diba? Yung mga investments na to are on a bargain. And yung isa kong video previously, sinabi ko, diba? Gusto natin lagi mag-hunt ng mga bargains like for our clothes, like for groceries, and sabihin natin for gadgets and all that stupid stuff. Diba? So natin lagi naka-sale, pumibili. But when it comes to investing, when you're buying stocks, when you're buying crypto, pagka naka-sale yung mga favorite stocks natin, favorite crypto projects natin, why don't we buy it? No one really knows kung kailan magbo-bottom yung market. So might as well just average in to the market habang mababa yung prices, di ba? Instead of like, nag-average ka lang kapag umakyat yung prices. So, goes both ways again. And I think mas dapat capital heavy kayo. Especially ngayon na bumababa nga yung prices ng mga stocks ng mga cryptos. Especially crypto. And number 3, review your portfolio. Yan, mahalaga din yan. It's important to review your portfolio to see if you need to make any changes. Especially sa mga stocks din. Kasi kapag hindi na fundamentally sound yung isang stock, like for example, 1 straight year na siya hindi kumikita, di ba? You might have to readjust your portfolio. And sabi nila dito, first question that you have to ask yourself, are you comfortable with the companies you're holding? Does your portfolio still match your risk tolerance levels? Are you diversified enough? Do you have investments in different sectors and outside of the Philippines? So yan, marami naman tayong options. Hindi lang sa PSE pwede mag-invest. You can use GoTrade. Meron akong link dyan sa baba if you're interested. If you want to invest in US stocks and ETFs. And we also have Binance. Meron din akong link sa baba. If you want to invest in cryptocurrencies. So, sobrang dami ng opportunities. We just have to grab them. And lastly, number 5, be ready for opportunities. So, ako, na-apply ko ito. I grabbed the opportunity to invest a lot of my money back in 2020 nung nagka-crash yung market dito sa Philippines. And I've benefited from that in just over a year. Like 2021, almost all of my investments more than doubled. No? Kasi those businesses didn't close. Diba? They're big businesses. Hindi ka naman malilist sa PSE if you're not a big business here in the Philippines. So, kailangan nyo lang talagang you have to do the work sa simula. You have to research. Like, ito bang kinikita nila is sustainable in the next couple of years? Gaano ba to katagal? Tatagal, maglalast. Diba? Yung company. Like, matagal na ba sila nag-operate? Matagal na ba sila nagbibigay ng dividends? And yung leaders ba nila is hindi sketchy? Diba? So, yun yung mga kailangan yung gawin sa simula. And then, you just have to, again, peso cost average. Bibili lang kayo. For example, kung sumisweldo kayo every single month, bibili kayo ng stock na yun, ng investment na yun, ng asset na yun, every single month. Kahit ano pang presyo niya. And mag-average out ka lang. And then yun nga, pagka medyo natuto ka na ng technical analysis, natuto ka na ng like macroeconomic analysis and all that, pwede mo yung gamitin and pwede kang mag-deploy ng mas malaking capital when things are bearish. And sabi ng call, there are strong companies with good fundamentals whose long-term value will remain the same even as their short-term values fall because of market volatility. Use market volatility to your advantage by buying good companies at discounted prices. Downward market volatility can be unsettling, especially for the first-time investor. However, it is a normal part of investing that we can prepare for and even take advantage of. And yung famous saying ni Warren Buffett na kapag bumili ka ng isang bahay worth 1 million, kinabukasan may kumatok dun sa pinto mo, sabi nila, hey, bilhin ko na yung bahay mo for 900,000 pesos. Will you sell the house? I think most of us, yung sagot is no. Hell no. Why would you sell a house that you bought for 1 million for 900k? There's no good enough reason to sell, diba? Unless there's an emergency, diba? So, kaya nga sinasabi ko sa inyo, treat nyo yung mga investments nyo, yung capital nyo for investments as an expense para hindi nyo na siya intindihin. Don't gamble your savings away. Don't gamble your budget for your monthly expenses away. Just for a shot of shooting up 2x, 3x, 5x, 10x, 100x sa kahit anong investment. So, dapat yan, may nakaalat na talaga kayo na budget for your capital sa mga investments. Alright, I think that will wrap up this episode, guys. Sana may natutunan kayo. And if umabot kayo at the end of this episode, thank you very much. I appreciate you. And if bago ka sa channel ko, click mo na yung subscribe button kasi every single day ako nag-upload. Well, starting today again. I will make that promise to you guys. And give the video a thumbs up as well kasi sobrang nakakatulong yun sa algorithm ng YouTube para ma-suggest pa itong videos natin sa ibang like-minded people, no? Yung mga gustong mag-invest dyan at an early age, ideally. And even yung mga, you know, and in the later stages in their life, if they want to learn investing, there's really nothing wrong with that. As long as you're willing to learn and as long as you're willing to start. And yeah, I guess that's it, guys. I'll see you on the next episode. Always remember, be Peso smart.